How to set timer on Snapchat. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to set a timer on Snapchat. So if we want our Snapchat snaps to disappear after a few seconds and control how long someone can view them, you can follow up these steps. Open up Snapchat, and once we open up Snapchat, we can take up a photo or a video and just go over to the next edit page. And once we are here, we can just go over and tap on the timer icon from your right hand side. So scroll down, find the timer option, tap on it, and once we tap on it, we can choose the time. We have from 1 second to 10 seconds, an unlimited option, and you can just go and set up a timer. For example, if you want 6 seconds, you can set the 6 and head back. It will automatically save the changes. Now you can just go over and tap on send, and now the snap will disappear after the selected time. You can just go over and follow up this method. Or if you want the messages to auto delete, what we can do is we can just go over, head back to the main page, head back and go to the chat page there, and from there just go over to one of the chat available. And once you are headed over the chat, you can just go over and basically look out for the profile icon in the top, and within the profile icon we can just go over and look out for the delete chat option. Tap on the three dot at the top and look out for the chat and notification settings or delete option, and we have delete chat option. Tap on it. You can select up a timer after viewing, 24 hours, 7 days after viewing, and never. You can just go and choose one of the method available, for example after viewing, and save up the changes. And when you go ahead and send up a text, the text will be deleted after viewing directly. Or if you have set 24 hours, it will be deleted after 24 hours. Similarly, 7 days, it will be deleted after 7 days. And that's it. And that's how we set up a timer on Snapchat, which is very easy. So if this tutorial helped you, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching this video.